Hello, my name is Ethan Flynn, and I'm going to be doing a buffer overflow attack within a small project where I use a created string to run a function that's never called. So here I'm in a GDB debugger where of the function that I'm going to be running. This is going to be the primary function that we use that gets run in the main function that we will use to call the function that we are trying to run. So first I set a breakpoint there and I run it so that I can get the actual address states of the functions and they're just in assembly code. So here we can see these are all the arguments that it takes in, that it has loaded in. So we look at the assembly code. This is the actual call state of the function, and this is where it leaves. So what we're going to do is we're going to set a breakpoint at any time this address comes up. So now we're going to disassemble. We're going to look at the assembly code of the function that we're actually running. So how I said this is the address that we're trying to call. So this is the address that will actually call the function. So what we do is we're going to set the arguments equal to 14 A's that try to repeat this with bit calls of this pattern, which is the backwards version of these numbers right here. So here what I do is I print the return stack pointer, in which this is the address of the stack that we're actually printing, and it also fits to right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run the program. So we hit the first pointer and we can see that the string that it's taking in is that A repeated 14 times that I declared earlier. We're going to step through it. So this is the second breakpoint that we set up. So once I continue through that again, we have all these moments lost in time, like tears in the rain. That is the hidden message in our program, and it's something that most people wouldn't believe. Much like the attack ships firing off the shoulder of Orion. Yes, I have watched Blade Runner, and I've been meaning to read Do Androids Dream of Electric Sheep.